प्रेम सबके मन में जगाने लेकर आए हैं कृष्ण और पार्टी बॉय। भारत है
शहर गांव लूटी फूकी देहात फिरंगिया, सुनी सुनी कुंवर के हृदय में लगाल।
Which is this trending Bhojpuri song, Balti Babu?
This is a folk song, Krish. In Bihar, it is sung to honor Babu Veer Kunwar Singh. अब छोड़ रे फिरंगिया हमार देसवा, लूट पूट कहली तो हाल। अब छोड़ रे फिरंगिया हमार
The foreigners have
देसवा।
already left. Don't sing and call them back. But start the Babu Veer Kunwar Singh story quickly.
Okay. Dear Sanskriti, story mode on.
Veer Kunwar Singh was born in 1777 in Ujjain's ruling Parmar Rajput dynasty. Many years earlier, his royal clan had settled at Bihar's Jagdishpur, which is known today as Bhojpur. When Veer Kunwar Singh came of age, he became the Talukdar of Jagdishpur and worked for the prosperity of its residents. People affectionately called him the Lion of Shahabad.
But when, in 1857, the wave of mass revolution was growing rapidly in every town of India, then the East India Company played another trick to its advantage. They started to forcibly confiscate the lands of zamindars and talukdars too. This enraged and provoked the then 80-year-old Kunwar Singh and many zamindars. He decided that he would fight against this injustice being committed against them by the British.
Very soon we have to make more and more revolutionary soldiers join us. Commander Hare Krishna Singh and Brother Amar Singh, start the preparations for it.
Yes, brother. It was reported that Danapur's in charge General Lloyd has ordered the removal of cartridges from the bullets that were handed to their Indian soldiers.
If there are no caps in the cartridge, then what is the use of a gun? They have started fearing that even the Indian soldiers in the oppressive British police may very soon rebel against them.
To register their protest against this order, a large contingent of soldiers is marching to the district headquarters at Ara.
This is the right moment. Before all these soldiers could reach Ara, we must stop them at Danapur and convince them to join our army. You both start the preparations.
When the report of Babu Veer Kunwar Singh's rebellion reached Patna-based British Commissioner William Taylor, it caused him to panic, and he sent an invitation for Kunwar Singh to come to Patna for a grand feast.
Much gratitude for William Sahib. But I am very old now, and lately have been keeping very sick. I can't even move out of the bed. You must forgive me. I'm unable to join you in Patna.
But Babu Veer Kunwar Singh very cleverly declined this invitation, and according to his plan, he reached Danapur, where he inspired thousands of Indian soldiers to fight against the British.
We have to end the looting and atrocities by the British. We will all go to Ara together. Remember, we have only one noble goal: to overthrow the company government. We have to release the revolutionary brothers imprisoned in the jail at Ara. We have to attack the British government's treasury and collect as much arms and ammunition as possible. We will fight this battle till our last breath.
Babu Veer Kunwar Singh, along with these soldiers, first attacked the jail in Ara and freed the imprisoned revolutionaries there. Then they raided the government treasury, granary and armory. when the company government learnt about Kuwar Singh's attack on Ara, they sent a contingent of 450 British soldiers commanded by Captain Dunbar for a counter-attack. But while en route to Ara, Captain Dunbar and his army faced a surprise attack by Kuwar Singh, whose soldiers ended his march on Ara. Captain Dunbar was also killed in that surprise attack.
We have captured Ara. Now our next stop will be Bibiganj.
After killing Captain Dunbar, Babu Veer Kuwar Singh made the British taste defeat at Bibiganj and laid siege on the town. Then he left to return to Jagdishpur. But on the way, he received news from his people that to capture him, the company government had laid a siege on Jagdishpur and his residence. They had also burned down the residences of his brothers. Kuwar Singh was sad on hearing this news, but he swore an oath.
I swear in the name of my motherland that by all means I will take Jagdishpur back from the British.
And thus, the battlefield was now set as the home of Babu Veer Kuwar Singh. He continued to fight with his armies in Gwalior, Rewa, Banda and Kalpi by joining the revolutionaries in these places, fighting against the British. In Lucknow, he allied with Nana Sahib Peshwa and together fought for the revolution. Gradually, Azamgarh too fell under a siege laid by them. The company government became worried and then Commander Lagarde set a huge bounty for capturing Veer Kuwar Singh.
How much?
25,000 rupees.
25,000? That too in 1857? The value of that money today would be?
Shall I tell you? If we calculate it at today's rate, then 100 years into 200, inflation adjusted by 1.5, 2.3, it could be crores of rupees.
So much?
Have this announcement made everywhere. Anyone who helps the British government to capture Kuwar Singh will receive from the company a bounty of 25,000. Now, prepare to depart from Azamgarh. We must catch this old man, Kuwar Singh.
But Commander Lagarde was unaware that clever Babu Veer Kuwar Singh was 2 steps ahead of him.
Before the British army reaches Azamgarh, we will have to leave this place urgently. Hare Krishna Singh, order the soldiers to be ready. Soon we will have to cross the river Ganga through Ghazipur to go to Jagdishpur. So we will leave tonight and stay at my close friend's village, which is known as Manyar.
And on the same night, after leaving Azamgarh, Babu Veer Kuwar Singh reached his friend's house in Manyar.
There could be a lot of danger in crossing the river Ganga. The temptation to gain 25,000 bounty could make anyone report your whereabouts to the British.
Then I need one more help from you.
Yes, my dear friend.
Babu Veer Kuwar Singh told his friend an idea and sent a villager to Captain Lagarde.
Sir, I have confirmed reports. Kuwar Singh will cross the river Ganga riding on elephants.
Why not boats? Why not use the boats?
They couldn't procure any boats, so they will be living on the elephants. Sir, that bounty...
You will receive the bounty. But first, we will catch this Kuwar Singh.
Near the spot of the river Ganga, where elephants wade across it, English forces had set an ambush, ready and waiting for Kuwar Singh to come.
Soldiers, get ready.
But when the elephants came near, there was no one on them.
Kuwar Singh has fooled us. He is going by boats. Come on, towards Shivpur Ghat.
When Captain Lagarde reached Shivpur Ghat with his army, Babu Veer Kuwar Singh, along with his companions, had already crossed half of the Ganga river in a boat. Captain Lagarde started firing bullets.
Fire at them! Come on, fire!
There was a fierce battle between the two in which Babu Veer Kuwar Singh was shot in his left palm. To prevent the gunshot wound's infection from spreading all across his body, Kuwar Singh chopped off his left wrist. And after dodging Commander Lagarde, he reached Jagdishpur. and he continued very bravely to fight against the British at Jagdishpur. He fulfilled his sworn oath, and at Jagdishpur, he successfully brought down the flag of the company government. Such was the chivalrous 80-year-old warrior Babu Kunwar Singh. Then he started falling ill, and on 26th April 1858, in his own palace, he died peacefully.
Indeed. One should learn to guard the pride, glory and dignity of one's motherland from the example set by Veer Kunwar Singh.
In 1966, the Government of India issued a postage stamp in his honor, and in 2017, the bridge connecting Ara and Chhapra was named Veer Kunwar Singh Setu.
Come, let us all sing together.
अब छोड़ रे फिरंगिया हमारे देशवा, लूट पुट कहली तूहान.
अब छोड़ रे फिरंगिया हमारे देशवा, लूट पुट कहली तोहान.
Say it proudly.
भारत है हम.
Hey guys! If you enjoyed listening to this story a lot, then you will definitely have more fun watching it.
Watch Krish Trish Balti Boy Bharat Hai Hum every Sunday at 11 a.m. on Doordarshan.
And our streaming partners are Amazon Prime Video and Netflix. Stay tuned.